OpenAI just released GPT Live, and this is genuinely going to change the world. GPT Live is basically a collection of the newest voice models, which are like 1,000 times better than the previous ones. GPT Live makes talking with AI actually feel like a real conversation, and it's also their smartest voice model so far. You can also make the voice agent do stuff like web search, deep reasoning, and complex tasks, which means you can get it to do stuff for you without you ever having to type a prompt ever again. What's even crazier is that ChatGPT now connects to Composio for you, which lets ChatGPT access over 1,000 different apps like Gmail, Instagram, and even YouTube. This means ChatGPT can literally do anything now. Yeah, especially with the latest release of GPT 5.6, ChatGPT might actually be better than Claude now.